Hello! Today I'm going to walk you through using your Genesee Valley iPad to connect to Wi-Fi in Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams will be one of the main strategies students can access activities from their teachers, especially in grades 7 through 12. First, let's connect to the Wi-Fi. The first step is to open the Settings app, which is gray with a gear. On the left side of the screen, select the Wi-Fi page. You'll notice right now it says Not Connected. All available networks will appear, including hotspots and built-in Wi-Fi home networks. Choose the network you would like to pair to and enter the password. Once you are connected, a check mark will appear next to the name, and the Wi-Fi symbol will appear in the upper right-hand corner of the iPad. If this icon ever disappears, you will know you need to go back into the settings and reconnect. Once you've been connected to the Wi-Fi, you need to connect to the school district. The first time you open the iPad for the day, you will need to sign in using your Genesee Valley credentials. In order to do this, you'll need to open up the Safari app, which is a blue and white icon with a compass. You'll notice that the message that pops up is that Safari cannot open because the iPad is not connected to the internet. While we just connected to the Wi-Fi, we have not connected to the school, which is why this will not work. To log in, type in any web address. This page will pop up for you to log into. Log in using the Genesee Valley credentials. For students, this would be the username, the first name, and last name of a student with no space in between. The password is their 3-digit PowerSchool password. If you need help with this password, please contact the school for help and someone would be happy to assist you. When your username and password have been entered, hit Login. Again, the username is a student's first name and last name without a space in between, and the password is their 3-digit PowerSchool password. You will know you are successful when it takes you to the desired website. Now I'm able to browse the internet, and the apps on the iPad will now work. The last thing I'm going to show you in this tutorial is how to log into Teams. All iPads have the Team app already built in. It is a blue and white icon with a T and 2 people. When you open the icon, once you've already logged in, it will keep you logged in. However, the first time you log in, you will see a sign-in page that looks like this. Click the sign-in option, and if no name pops up, click sign in with another account at the bottom of the screen. You will reach a page that looks like this. Here, you will use the Microsoft Office 365 login credentials. For students, this would be their first name, last name, no space, at gvcsd.org. The password is the same 3-digit PowerSchool password they used before. When this has been entered, hit sign in. Again, their username is first name, last name at gvcsd.org, and the password is their 3-digit PowerSchool password. You will know you're successful when it brings you to this page and walks you through the steps of setting up your Teams. It may ask you for access to the microphone and camera. You should push OK for both options. Click Next throughout the Teams descriptions, and click Got It at the end. To navigate Teams, use the categories at the bottom. Click on Teams to view all your classes. They will be listed on the left-hand column. When you enter a class, hit the General tab to see messages and announcements from your teacher and respond to the class. You can also find any review assignments here to help retain all you have learned so far this year. Choose the Files tab to view any documents shared by your teacher. If you would like to have a private conversation with your teacher, you can use the chat feature at the bottom. The pencil will allow you to type in your teacher's name and begin a conversation with any questions you might have. To go back to your classes, simply hit Teams at the bottom. If you have any questions or encounter any difficulty in the steps I have shown you today, please do not hesitate to reach out to the district for help at 585-268-7900. Someone in the building can help connect you with an appropriate person to answer your questions.